In this video, we're going to be talking about the Barclays application not working and how you can fix that problem and even login problems. So first things first, if you haven't already, go ahead and check if there is any update for your Barclays application, because sometimes what happens is a update might be pending and that will be causing these problems. Simply go ahead and open App Store and open or search for your Barclays, and there's going to be a update button where the open button is right now if there is any update. So as you can see, there's no update, so that is not the problem. The other problem could be simply fixed by restarting your device. So if you haven't tried that already, go ahead and give it a simple restart, and that can resolve temporary glitches. Also, try to verify if there are any known service outages on the Barclays service status page by simply searching for Barclays server status, just like that, and click on that. And as you can see, it will show you if they are currently down or not. As you can see, it says all our services are working, so that is not going to be the problem. If you're on an Android, then try clearing the cache of your application. If you're on your iOS, then simply uninstall and reinstall your application, and it should be fixed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.